please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
After a day or two, the markets will forget about this event. But nevertheless, we saw the rupee also recovering a goodish bit when the BJP numbers were looking like reaching towards 115 seats. And when that number, magic number, did not come, we saw the rupee also crashing. Those macros are extremely sensitive to political stability. So, just as an investor, what is your takeaway? Is your takeaway that the BJP is still very much increasing its chances of staying on in the centre? Or is the market takeaway that, the opposition stitching up of alliances can actually make a return of BJP a little less probable than it was, say, some months ago?
Well, I think, Lata, the big difference between, elections in 2019 and the elections in 2014, I think a big difference is going to be that in 2014, we saw one single wave cutting across the country, cutting across all the states, irrespective of political alliances and all those kind of political equations. Clearly, in 2009, it's not going to be just one single factor which will decide the outcome of the elections in 2019, but it's going to be a lot about, what kind of coalitions which get stitched up in individual states. So if, for example, after today's election outcome, if we saw the Congress and the JDS trying to kind of, stitch a post-poll alliance and make a stake to form the government, it's quite possible that maybe as we head into 2019, you could actually see several pre-poll alliances getting formed in individual states. And obviously, when you have coalitions getting formed, it clearly implies that it's going to become very difficult for the party on the other side or on the opposite side. So I think that is basically what the market is really looking at in terms of the outcome of this election. But whether all of this will have any bearing in terms of growth over the next 4 quarters or so, I don't think so. It's going to be the other factors like inflation, crude, interest rates, currency movements, which will decide in terms of how the corporate earnings really play out over the next 4 quarters or so.